Introduction: a bold leap forward. Welcome to the Showroom Spotlight, your go-to source for all things automotive. Today we're diving into the future of electric mobility with the 2025 Kia EV6. This innovative EV is more than just a car. It's a statement of design, performance, and sustainability that redefines the driving experience. Exterior design, where aesthetics meet aerodynamics. The 2025 Kia EV6 is a head-turner. With its bold futuristic design, its sculpted body lines, aggressive front fascia, and signature LED light bar give it a distinct presence on the road. The EV6's aerodynamic silhouette is not just for show, it's engineered to enhance efficiency and range. With a range of vibrant colors and wheel options, the EV6 offers personalization to match your style. Interior: luxury meets technology. Step inside and you're greeted with a spacious, tech-forward cabin that prioritizes both comfort and functionality. The minimalist dashboard houses dual panoramic screens for infotainment and driver information. Premium materials, sustainable upholstery, and ambient lighting create a luxurious environment. With ample legroom and cargo space, the EV6 is as practical as it is stylish. Performance: electrifying power and range. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, is Kia's cutting-edge electric drivetrain. The 2025 EV6 offers multiple powertrain options, including an all-wheel drive variant that delivers blistering acceleration. With a range of up to 320 miles on a full charge, this EV combines performance with practicality. Plus, its ultra-fast charging capability adds 200 miles in just 18 minutes, keeping you on the move. Technology and safety, smart innovation. Kia has packed the EV6 with advanced technology to enhance your driving experience. Features like augmented reality heads-up display, advanced driver assistance systems, and over-the-air updates set a new standard for connectivity and safety. The EV6 is designed to keep you both entertained and protected on every journey. Closing thoughts: the future is here. The 2025 Kia EV6 is more than just an electric vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of sustainable driving. With its striking design, impressive performance, and innovative features, it's a game-changer in the EV market. Thank you for tuning into the Showroom Spotlight. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time on the Showroom Spotlight.